Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to reset a Bose soundbar. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so method one is reset the Bose soundbar. So this is 300, 500, 700, 900 series. So we want to do a soft reset, which is a reboot. And what this does, this helps with minor glitches. So unplug the power cord from the soundbar, wait at least half a minute, then plug it back in and wait for it to fully power up. Then from here, factory reset, erase all settings. So this will delete Wi-Fi settings, paired devices, and customization. So keep that in mind. So these are steps for soundbar 500, 700, 900. So what we need to do is turn on the soundbar. Then on the remote, press and hold both the play pause button and the volume down button. Hold for 5 seconds until the light bar on the soundbar blinks white and then fades off. Wait for the soundbar to restart. It's now factory reset. Now, if you've got a soundbar 300, it's a little bit different. So turn on the soundbar, then on the remote, press and hold the Bluetooth button and the volume down button at the same time. Then hold for 5 seconds until light flashes on the soundbar. Now, there's an optional way so we can reconnect the Boss app after reset. So open the Boss Music app on your phone, follow the prompts to set up the soundbar again.